African artist called Diamond Platinumz. Do you know him? Yes, Diamond Platinumz have made many things, many things like to be with more artists according to his talent. Diamond Platinumz have made the best song and the good songs that he have made people to fall in love, to fall in dancing, like Rwanda dancers, like Burundi dancers and Uganda dancers. So now we are talking about to Diamond. Diamond is known artist, singer, and is known as first, most beautiful, first, most lovely people in East Africa. Is the first artist in the Tanzania and is the first artist in all East Africa. According to his songs, Diamond Platnumz is the first artist that who is followed by many people, up to 10 million and 300,000. So Diamond Platnumz is so beautiful, have made the good English songs and Kiswahili songs. So he always used to sing in Kiswahili language. Now, do you love Diamond? If you love Diamond, really come in comment and write what you are thinking. If it is the first one to you, go and write there if it is the first, if he is the first. So Diamond for me is the first in all Africa, and even though others say that Diamond is the number 10 to have more money and to be with good things. So in Africa we have many people, we have many artists like Burna Boy, like Davido, like Wizkid. Now Diamond is the first from other artists. So let's see start. Please, I love you everyone. So Diamond is the first, Diamond have made a good anything, have helped other artists to go far away, like others, like Deben from Rwanda, like Chameleon from Uganda, like Ed Sheeran from Kenya, like Ben Sor from others. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, please like, please share. I love you every day. I come from in USA, so I love you. I'm gonna to listen you every day. Yes. I love you. Thank you. Please subscribe. I need your help for being me with subscribe.